Hello and welcome back. Susan Zumo here, intuitive and originator of soul patterning harmonics. This weekend, I'm teaching a healing course called Soma Pi to some wonderful ladies, but I still wanted to make sure that I got a video out to you and that we connected energetically. So I thought this would be a good time for me to talk about how the messages work and the nuts and bolts of these videos for those who might be interested. Each week, I sit down and I go within and connect with my higher self, my soul family, and any of the high positive frequency galactics who might want to come in and give us an uplifting message or answer a question that I might have. I want to emphasize, as I always do, that they are me. They are my soul family, which is me. They are my galactic brothers and sisters, which are me. My higher self is me, and my soul is me. They are all a part of me, and I am a part of them. So let's not be confused into thinking that something from the outside is coming in to say something to me or to you. So we could actually say it is my intuition as opposed to the galactics. However, sometimes they do differentiate themselves for me. And so I'll get the message and I'll write the message down. Why do I write it down and read it instead of just tune in and give it to you? Well, I'm not a person who likes to ramble, and I don't want you to have to listen to me ramble. So I get the information, and then we make it very concise to keep these as short as possible, but to give the greatest impact that we can possibly give you from them. Every message carries a frequency of love and upliftment with it. There is an intent to bring joy and healing, comfort, or peace to everybody that listens to the message. I feel that I and they are talking to each one of you individually. I'm really good at getting information, conveying information, and teaching simple, easy techniques to others that will help empower them and assist them on their path to ascension. Uplifting yourself, bringing joy into your life, and releasing fear is always the way to increasing frequency and expanding consciousness. That's my goal for myself and for you. So, you'll notice that the productions are not fancy. There's no twinkling, no whiteboards, no bells and whistles going off in the background. My focus is the message. My focus is getting this information to you, connecting with you, and hopefully making a positive difference in your day, in your week, and maybe even your life. I want to emphasize that what I do, you can do. With practice, with training, with application, with intent, and with a lot of fun and joy. But you can do it too. And so if you are interested in any of the things that I teach or can impart, if you're looking for advanced techniques or basic information, email me. If you have a question, email me. I'll make sure that we ask it for the next video. I hope that you are dancing in this ascension energy and making sure not to take it, the world, or yourself too seriously. You are way too important to drag yourself down in doubt or negativity. The other thing I want to address is, why do I always say many blessings? I wish you many blessings at the end of each video. Well, I've had some absolutely wonderful teachers in my life and some very loving and supportive friends who have encouraged me and have blessed me. In addition, my soul and the universe have also blessed me. God, Creator, Source has blessed me and continues to bless me in many, many ways. I can't think of a better wish for someone than to wish them many blessings too. So I hope that between now and the time that we meet again next week, when I have a formal message for you, I wish you many, many blessings.